All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and unbox a second generation Nest Mini. Stay tuned. All right, what we have here is a Nest Mini. As you see, second generation. I have my box cutters. We're going to go ahead and open up this box and get this started. So, don't know why I'm using box cutters today, but you know, it makes sense. We're doing an unboxing, right? Let's just do it the right way and just use some box cutters. So, take this plastic off, put the box cutters away, see if we can go ahead and get this open. I know, I've done tons of unboxing videos lately, guys. I know, you guys want to see some drone content. Don't worry, some drone content will be on the way. But in the meantime, we're going to get this guy open. So actually, Google sent this to me for free because I am part of the Nest Aware program. So they sent these to a bunch of people for free. I wanted a new Nest to go ahead and actually use in my office. Since this is the second generation one, I figured I wanted to put this in my office. I already have one right now in my office, but it is the first generation one. So it's just the Google Home Mini. They just rebranded it. But here looks like we have, this is the charcoal one. That's the power port. There's actually the mute switch here. Looks like you can go ahead and wall mount them just to like a little screw or whatever. Yeah, but this is the charcoal one. I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside. Go ahead and take this out. So still the same plug, it looks like. Just the standard Google logo here on the plug. I don't know how well it's coming up on camera. It's actually the same documentation that's been in all the Nest products as well. So get this all out, set this aside. So here's your plug. I'm in the US, so we actually have the US plug here. And there's the plug-in part. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna have to actually record from my phone on this a little bit of the setup process. Hopefully it will work. Hopefully I'll be able to do a little bit of both. I'm actually using my phone to record this process here. So let me go ahead and find something I can plug this into. Gotta make sure I have actually open outlets, and we'll get this going. Stay tuned, guys. All right, so what we have here, so this is actually the first gen Nest Mini, or as it was called at that point, the Google Home Mini. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're actually gonna go ahead and unplug this guy. So as you see, that's just the standard micro USB-B cable here. I actually have a little outlet that's right here. So we're gonna unplug this Google Home Mini. Set that aside. We'll set this aside. Actually, set that back right there for a second. I mean, if you compare them side by side, other than the color, they look identical. Completely identical. So I'm hoping that there are some enhancements for the second generation one. I really don't know if there is or not, but that's okay, because we're just going to do this because I want it to match the theme of that table that it's actually on. So as you see, it's kind of a black, like a very, very dark brown, almost black table, and that's why I got the actual opted for the charcoal one, because it kind of matches. So I actually unraveled the new cable here. Just I want you to compare. So you have this one right here. This is actually the new end right here that plugs into the new one. This one is the old one that plugs into the old one here. So I'm actually going to take the new cord, plug it up to the outlet that is over here. It's actually nice. This table actually has a built-in plug, or a built-in outlet. This basically works as a big extension cord. What's funny is that it's actually also powering the lamp, or the lighting for my video right this second. So we're gonna go ahead and take this. Sorry for nudging the camera. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in. I'll take the old one off. I'll set this over here a little bit. Let's hide away some of that cord. Oh, look, BB-8 turned on. So I'm gonna set that kind of in the middle of the table right now, just for this setup. Oh, it's actually a different sound than what it used to have.
To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
All right. I don't know if you heard that, but it is saying download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. All right, so we're actually recording on here. So I'm actually going to go to my Google Home app, which I already have installed. I got plenty of Google and Nest devices here. So got that open. And if you see at the top, I should be showing the screen right now. Hopefully it is showing properly. It does say set up Nest Mini. So we're going to go ahead and hit that. There's my address. I hit next. And it should start looking for the devices. All right, and I found a Nest Mini. Would you like to set up the device? Yes, we do. All right, and it is connected. And there's the sound. So yes, I heard the sound. Yeah, I've already gone through all those, and I'm always in to help that. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually put this in Craig's office. We're gonna just name that Craig's office speaker 2. There is my Wi-Fi network. Now let's hope that the recording from my camera doesn't stop. Let's see if we can, oh look, it's there. It's connected. All right. So let's just test it out. Hey Google, how are you doing today?
I'm great, thanks for asking.
Yay. Hey Google, I'm glad you're here.
I'm glad you enjoyed meeting me. I hope that as we get to know each other, your enjoyment intensifies.
All right, so go ahead and stop that recording on my phone. All right, so that is the Google Nest Mini. Yeah, I know, there's not a lot to it. There's really not much of a difference yet that I can go ahead and tell between the original Home Mini and the Nest Mini. But at this point, I wanted to get this in here because it does match the room a little bit better with the color scheme, the dark woods and all that. So this does kind of blend in a little bit more than what the other one did. So now we got that set up. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting everything else done and set up. And we're good to go. So, but overall, it is set up in the Google Home app. I thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, of course, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit the bell icon if you want to get notifications. Once again, my name is Craig with Squawky's Videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good day.